everybody, and welcome back to another video. This video is pretty much history to this channel. This will be showing every single model airplane I've ever received, not including one 200, one 100, or Hogan, or whatever. This is only one 400 scale. In total, there is over 150 airplanes. We have this side, and then we have all of this to go over today. So yeah, we will get straight into it. We'll be starting off with American today. So at the very front, we have an American CRJ-200. This is Gemini Jets. American Eagle E-170 Gemini Jets. American E-175 Gemini Jets. American E-175 Gemini Jets. American E-190 Gemini Jets. American A319 Gemini Jets. American A320 Gemini Jets. American 738 One World Livery Gemini Jets. American 738 Air Cal Retro Livery Gemini Jets. American 737 MAX 8 Gemini Jets. American A321 Gemini Jets. Now let's change the angle. And here we have the American A321 Gemini Jets. American 757 Gemini Jets. American 767 Gemini Jets. U.S. Airways A330 Gemini Jets. The reason I put this in is because it's practically American. So then we have a American 777 Gemini Jets. American 767. This is by Dragon Wings. We have a United Shuttle 737-300. This is in the Aero Classics. By Aero Classics. United 737 MAX 9. This is by Gemini Jets. A second one by Gemini Jets. United 787-10 Gemini Jets. United 747 Gemini Jets. United A320 Plane Livery Gemini Jets. Then a United A319 by Gemini Jets. United 737-700 by Gemini Jets. United E-175 by Gemini Jets. This is in the new livery. Then United E-175 Gemini Jets. United E-175 Gemini Jets. United E-170 Gemini Jets. United CRJ-550 Gemini Jets. United CRJ-550 Gemini Jets. United CRJ-200 Gemini Jets. Also CRJ-200 Gemini Jets. E-170 Gemini Jets. This is actually a Delta, but I made it a Trans-State. This is Gemini Jets. Dash 8 Q200 Gemini Jets. Arizona 1 737-300 Gemini Jets. Plane 737-300 Gemini Jets. New livery, Nevada 1 737-700 Gemini Jets. This is actually, this was not in the new livery, but I made it in the new livery because I'm just that cool. Then we have a Colorado 1 Gemini Jets. 737-700 Triple Crown 1 Gemini Jets. Southwest 737-700 Gemini Jets. Southwest 737-700 Gemini Jets. Another Southwest 737-700 Gemini Jets. This is in the Tennessee 1 livery. And we have a Southwest 737-800 Gemini Jets. Southwest 737-800 Gemini Jets. Also another 800 Gemini Jets. Let's get a different angle. Southwest 737 MAX 8 Gemini Jets. Southwest 737 MAX 8 Gemini Jets. Spirit A320 Gemini Jets. There's two of them. Spirit A320 Rainbow livery. That is Aero Classics. WestJet 737 MAX 8, that is Gemini Jets. WestJet 767 Gemini Jets. Frontier A320, that is Gemini Jets. Frontier A320 Aero Classics. Frontier A320 Aero Classics, Frontier A320 Gemini jets, Frontier A320 Aero Classics, Frontier A321 Aero Classics, and Frontier A321 Aero Classics. Then we have a Frontier A319 by Gemini Jets, and a Aeromexico E170 by Herpa. First we have a Delta CRJ 700 Gemini Jets, Delta E170 Gemini Jets, Delta A220 Gemini Jets, Delta 717 Gemini Jets, Delta MD90 Gemini Jets, Delta 737-900 Gemini Jets, Delta 737-800 Gemini Jets, Delta A321 Gemini Jets, Delta 757 Gemini Jets, and while we're here I might as well get that Delta 767 Gemini Jets. And then we have a Delta A350 Gemini Jets, a Delta 777 Gemini Jets. Then we have a Alaska Dash 8 Gemini Jets, Alaska E175 Gemini Jets, Virgin America A321neo Gemini Jets, Alaska 737-800 Gemini Jets, Alaska 737-900 Gemini Jets. Then we have a Alaska 737-700 Gemini Jets, then a Alaska 737-800 no landing gear. I got this at a show or something, but it was like $10, so I bought it. This is in the Boeing House livery. Alaska A320 Gemini Jets, Alaska 737-900 More to Love livery, also Gemini Jets. And lastly, we have a Aeromexico 737-800. This is by Gemini Jets. Oh, it's in the Corona livery. No, not the coronavirus, the beer. Starting off the next row, we have a Icelandair 757 Hecla Aurora Gemini Jets, Icelandair 757, I forgot what they call this. I know it's the 80-year strong livery, Gemini Jets, Volaris A321 Gemini Jets, Cayman Air 737 MAX 8 Aero Classics, Air Canada E190 Gemini Jets, Air Canada CRJ 900 Gemini Jets. I already got that one. That's a Delta 767 Gemini Jets. Then we head over to the other side. We have a JetBlue A321 Aero Classics, a JetBlue A320 Gemini Jets, JetBlue A320 Blueberries livery Gemini Jets, JetBlue A320 I Heart New York livery Gemini Jets, JetBlue E190. This is in the what do they call this? It's like the outline, I guess, I don't know. It's on the top of my head. This is a blank 738. I think this operates for the Taipei Navy, or Taiwan Navy, I think. Here we have a Allegiant A319 in the new livery, Gemini Jets. Oh, this one was a special, like, limited edition one, so yeah. If you made it this far, please make sure you hit that big red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. There will be more videos like this. Every 6 months I plan on doing collection video of every airplane I have. It was a ton of work, so please share it to all your friends so they can see what an awesome collection I have. Not to brag, just, yeah. But here we have a Allegiant MD-83. This is in the normal livery, Gemini Jets. Allegiant A320 Gemini Jets, Hawaiian 717, two of them, both by Gemini Jets. Hawaiian A321 by Gemini Jets. Hawaiian A330 by Gemini Jets, brand new model I just got today. Hawaiian A321neo again, Gemini Jets. And then we have a C-17 Globemaster. This is by, like, their Gemini Mac, or Gemini, I think they call it Gemini Mac. It's like their military brand of Gemini Jets. So yeah, starting off the next row, we have a Norwegian 737 MAX 8 Gemini Jets. Norwegian, I almost struggled there. 787 by Gemini Jets. And while we'll get it, there's a WOW A321neo by Gemini Jets. Here we have a Emirates Sky Cargo by Gemini Jets. Atlas Air 747-8 Gemini Jets. Prime Air 767 by Phoenix. FedEx 777 by Gemini Jets. FedEx 767 by Gemini. FedEx 757 by Gemini. UPS 748 Gemini. UPS MD-11F, that was my first ever model, so that's what started this giant collection. Gemini. UPS 767 Gemini Jets. And a UPS 757 Gemini Jets. Starting off the next row, we have a Japan Airlines 787-9. This is this is Gemini Jets. Japan 767, also Gemini Jets. Elderwees A330, they only come seasonal to Denver, and right now they're not coming at all, even if it was in season. This is the A330 by Phoenix Models. KLM 777-300, this is in the Orange Pride livery. Qantas 787-10, or 9 actually, 100 years livery. Gemini Jets. Qantas A380 Go Wallabies livery, also one of my first models, Gemini Jets. Air France A380 Gemini Jets. Air France 787-9 Gemini Jets. Lufthansa A330 Gemini Jets. Air Canada 787-9 Gemini Jets. Lufthansa 747-8, this is in the Figure livery, Gemini Jets. Lufthansa A350 in the new livery by, I got this one, Phoenix Models. Then we have a Asiana A380. This is in the new livery and is a Gemini Jets. And then if we cross over to this side of the terminal, I bet you guys didn't even know I had this model, but here we have a British Airways A320 by Gemini Jets. British Airways 747 by Gemini Jets. As you can see, it has the nose, gold nose cone. Very beautiful airplane. And then we have a Alitalia A330 by Gemini Jets. I would like to thank all of you guys that came to this video. If you did enjoy it, please, please, please hit that big red subscribe button. My goal is to get to around 3K by the end of this year. The next airport update will be Kahalui, coming this Friday. After that, there probably will most likely not be any more, but don't be sad, I'm bringing in Honolulu. If you want to keep up with all of that and all of my travels, please make sure to follow my Instagram, MileHigh_Aviation on Instagram. I have about 880 something followers. I also post plane or like takeoff landing. I also post just plain Gemini Jets videos, and then down below airport Kahalui sometimes I post on. And so if you guys don't follow my Instagram, you won't know this, but Honolulu will be replacing Kahalui coming in the near future. I'm thinking May is about when I think it'll be replaced. Then coming later that year, June, July, we will be having Washington, DCA. So that's where all these American planes will get into use, since most of them are not in use currently because of Denver and Kahalui. So yeah, I would love to thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate your guys' continual support in growing this channel. Please share this video on any platform. Please, please, please. This must have taken 2 days to set all this up and move everything. I'm not even kidding. Because about half of these models I used for LAX were in storage. So I had to go to the storage unit, get all the models back out, unbox them all. So please, please, please share this video. Also leave a comment down below about what you liked and what you didn't like. And until next time, I will see you guys in the next video. Have a good rest of your week. Most of you probably have it off because of coronavirus. I'm also, so currently my upload schedule is Wednesday, Friday. I'm going to try to increase it even more eventually, but because of the amount of time it takes me to edit and doing sports and everything, it really is a pain in the butt to upload really more than 2 videos a week. But I can try my best. But if you guys do subscribe, then that gives me encouragement to keep going. Like every single time I see my subscriber number go up, I'm like, okay, new video. And I start brainstorming new videos. So please, please, please go subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.